4 home remedies for thicker hair. Thick, luscious hair is often seen as a sign of beauty and health. However, many people struggle with thin or thinning hair due to factors like genetics, stress, hormonal changes, or poor nutrition. Fortunately, there are several home remedies that can help promote thicker, healthier hair. Here are 4 proven methods to boost your hair's volume and strength naturally. 1. Aloe vera, the natural hair strengthener. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, but it also offers excellent benefits for hair health. The enzymes in aloe vera can help remove dead cells from the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Additionally, its moisturizing properties can prevent hair breakage and improve overall hair texture. How to use: extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf. Apply the gel directly to your scalp and massage it gently. Leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. 2. Castor oil, the thickening elixir. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which boost blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help maintain a healthy scalp, essential for thicker hair. How to use: warm up a small amount of castor oil and mix it with an equal amount of coconut oil or olive oil to reduce its viscosity. Apply the oil mixture to your scalp and hair, massaging it in circular motions. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your hair with a gentle shampoo. Use this treatment once a week for best results. 3. Egg masks, protein power for hair. Eggs are a rich source of protein and biotin, both of which are crucial for hair strength and thickness. An egg mask can nourish your hair follicles, making your hair appear fuller and shinier. How to use: beat 2 eggs until they are well mixed. Apply the mixture to your damp hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse your hair with cool water and a mild shampoo. For added benefit, you can mix the eggs with olive oil or yogurt. Apply this mask once a week to see noticeable improvements. 4. Fenugreek seeds, the ancient remedy. Fenugreek seeds are packed with proteins and nicotinic acid that stimulate hair growth and strengthen the hair shaft. They also contain lecithin, which hydrates the hair and gives it a natural shine. How to use: soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Grind the soaked seeds into a fine paste the next morning. Apply the paste to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this remedy twice a week for optimal results. Achieving thicker, healthier hair doesn't necessarily require expensive treatments or products. By incorporating these natural home remedies into your hair care routine, you can enhance hair growth, strength, and volume. Consistency is key, so be patient and give these remedies time to work their magic. Remember, a healthy diet and proper hydration are also crucial for maintaining strong and thick hair. With these tips, you can enjoy the luscious locks you've always desired.